Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. M. Tillanayake, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Nehru Arts and Science. Now I am going to handle the subject Software Development with Visual Basic for the third year students of BCom CA for the semester 5. The subject code is 18U3 CCC 518. First unit. In this first unit, I am going to handle the topic called Introduction to Visual Basic. This is the syllabus for Unit 1. In this Unit 1, we have two major topics, Introduction to VB and VB Fundamentals. Inside that Introduction to VB, we are going to see the topics VB Program Development Process, VB Program Components, VB Environment, Opening, Saving and Running a VB Project, Sample VB Project. Under the VB Fundamentals topic, numeric, string constants, variables, data types and declarations, operators and expressions, special rules in concerning numeric expressions, string expressions and assigning values to variables. These are all the topics comes under Unit 1. Here the reference book for this Unit 1 is Dion S. Gottfried. The book name is Theory and Problems of Programming with Visual Basic. In the publisher name of Tata McGraw-Hill Publishing Company and the edition in the year 2012. Then, this is the introduction about the VB. Introduction to VB. VB is the third generation event-driven programming language that was first released in the year 1991 by the company called Microsoft. It is the earlier version of DOS that has an abbreviated word with the basic, means beginners all-purpose symbolic instruction code. Visual Basic is a user-friendly programming language that is specially designed for programmers at the beginners level, and it enables anyone to develop graphical user interface Windows applications will be easily made. GUI is called as a graphical user interface. In the year of 2002, Microsoft again released the VB as Visual Basic.NET to replace that Visual Basic 6. Then in 2008, again the Microsoft declared VB6 as legacy programming language because it will be developed under the framework called .NET framework. Again, VB.NET is fully object-oriented programming language that was specifically implemented in the framework called .NET framework. Then it was created to handle for the development of the web as well as mobile applications. In this introduction, we had to know about what are all the VB history and what is called as VB.NET and what is the platform to run again. Then this is the environment we have to work with VB. Here the environment is called as .NET framework. With the help of Visual Studio .NET framework, we have to accumulate all the topics under this environment. That is programming languages, common platform, what is the intermediator and what are all the applications to be developed under this environment. That is a Visual Studio .NET is a framework which combines programming languages such as VB, C++, C#, JavaScript, some other languages also. Then it have a common language specification to know what are all the languages that will specified in a common language format. Then ASP.NET and Windows Forms are used to develop the web applications. Here the ADO.NET and XML are used for scripting languages for developing web applications. Then we have base class library to access the inherited classes or base classes in a single library. Then we have common language runtime. Here the common language runtime is used for executing the applications at any mode with specifying a common language. Then we have an applications called Windows applications with the services of Complex. Complex is called as component object model that is specifically used for web applications. This is an overview of VB environment with the help of .NET framework under Visual Studio .NET. This is the new project dialog box comes under your Visual Basic project. This is the first dialog box while we are opening the VB application. In this dialog, here we have a new project dialog box having 3 tabs: new, existing and recent. First of all, the user entering the Visual Basic environment means user have to develop the new project in the form of standard exe format. Here in the standard exe format, an application can be developed as an executable file, or else we have to choose other options to execute that application. In the second tab and third tab, we have to know what is an existing document or project and the recent documents to be used in this 2 tabs, existing as well as recent. By selecting the standard exe, user can use GUI interface with the project environment. Here is the project environment in the Visual Basic programming interface. Here we have a multiple components that can be combined together to develop an application in the VB platform. The first one is called as Project 1, Microsoft Visual Basic Design. This is called as the project name in the Visual Basic. The user have to design in this dialog box. After that, we have a menus and controls. That controls have been placed inside the form to execute an application while the design made by a specific user. In the left side of the picture, having general tools to be used inside the form to place for interactive session in this form. On the right side of this dialog box, we have project window and property window. These 2 windows play a major role while we are developing an application in VB. Project window helps what are all the forms and what are all the components to be specified in a particular application. But in property form, each and every control wherever it will be placed inside the form having a specific properties. It will be specified in two ways, that is alphabetical and categorized way. In alphabetical, A to Z, the properties will be shown to the user. In the categorized format, the properties will be categorized under the format of forms, reports, data environment, data report, etc. The last one on the right side is caption. That means whatever the property holded by the control, that will be having a caption in the format of some introduction about that control. This is the VB programming environment. In the center of this form, we have 2 windows. One is form, the second thing is project. The project have many forms that have unlimited forms, but in the form 1, we have to place a controls for the specific design of an application. This is an VB programming environment, and these are all the common controls having to design an application. These are all the common controls, namely picture box, label box, text box, command button, combo box, check box, option button, list box, timer, directory list box, file list box, drive list box, image box, shapes, etc. The user can also add any other controls with the help of components and references from the standard menu bars. Then these are all the points to remember while we are seeing this presentation. History of Visual Basic, what are all the features of Visual Basic, then what are all the Visual Basic applications, and what is the environment to be used under the Visual Basic. Yes, you have to attend the quiz in the app Edmodo in the subject name Software Development with Visual Basic, having a subject code in lowercase DXAQNZ. If you have any query means, please use the chat box and ask me, or unmute yourself and ask me. Yes, thank you all. We will meet you soon in VB program development process in the second class. Thank you all.